excited that you're here. Today we're going to talk about microdermabrasion. I'm going to call this segment Beginner's Beauty because honestly, I am so out of touch with my beauty regimen. Okay, I put on makeup every day and I do my nails and I do them at home by myself. So, but I'm starting to think about signs of aging. I know, a major bummer. And just trying to do things that are simple that I can just add to my routine that will help to combat some of that, as well as improving the quality of my skin. I'm starting to get some little patchy spots, some redness, I have this sunspot you guys have probably noticed before right here that's really bugging me, and I had heard about microdermabrasion as a way to possibly combat some of those fine lines and just to improve the overall quality and appearance of skin. So I've never done anything for my skin other than a normal cleansing routine. So very excited to start adding this to my routine. And I'm really excited to share it with you too, because you guys can easily incorporate it into your beauty regimen as well. And I mean, maybe just seeing me try it for the very first time will show you too that it's pretty easy to do, and it's definitely something that is possible for even beginners at beauty stuff. Okay, so the first step is the refine, yay! And the refine step is great for exfoliation. So it's gonna clean everything out, which is great because over time your pores get really clogged, and especially if you've never done this before like me. And so it's really nice to use it to remove those surface dead skin cells that build up in your pores. And then next you have the Pore Minimizer, and that kind of goes beyond the skin's texture to improve the look of your actual pores. So when your pores are cleared of all that junk in there, the Pore Minimizer works to reduce the appearance of the pores. So you got 2 steps. Clean out the pores, make the pores look pretty. And this one, the refine, can be used 2 to 3 times a week. So it's definitely something that you can't use every day, but you can use it often. So that's exciting. And then the Pore Minimizer is okay for everyday use, even twice a day. So that might be something that I try too. Although I'm tempted to just use these hand in hand 2 to 3 days a week as a happy little family. So now I'm gonna take these little babies to the bathroom and I'm going to do the process and show you what that looks like. Because that was the most intimidating part for me, is what do I actually do? And I'll walk you through it. Here we go. Hey guys, welcome to my bathroom. I'm so excited to try this microdermabrasion stuff with you guys. We are going to be using this set. It's a Mary Kay set. I know that some of my friends really love, so there's the 2 parts to it in here. The microdermabrasion refine, and then also the Pore Minimizer. So we're gonna start with the refine, and actually what you really want to start with is washing your face. So you have to cleanse first, and I lost my hair tie. So once your face is clean, which mine is, then you can put a quarter-sized amount of this stuff on your hands. And here's what it said. And then, it said warm water, and then you basically just rub it into your skin for 1 to 2 minutes. So, like this. In this circular motion. I memorized directions, you guys. Just for you. I'm not gonna bore you with this whole process right now, okay? We're gonna skip ahead. Okay, I'm in the middle of this, and honestly, it feels like I'm rubbing sandpaper on my face, legit sandpaper. So that's new, definitely new. All right, now that I have adequately wounded myself with this refine step, I'm gonna rinse it off, and then I'm gonna pat dry. Ow. That's hot. Okay, and then we're gonna pat dry. You guys, I never show you my bare face. I'm a little nervous too now, but it's okay, it's good. Okay, so now that we're done with the refine step, and my face feels so smooth, like baby skin soft, which I don't know if it's felt like this in ever. I can't recall. So maybe the sandpaper works. That's good. I'm gonna put the Pore Minimizer on now. So this is just like a small amount, 1 to 2 pumps, and then you rub it in an upward and outward circular motion. Mary Kay always says not to pull down on your skin. This is something my mom actually told me when I was like a little kid. Don't pull down on your skin because you don't want to give gravity any help, which is so funny. All right, this stuff smells really good actually, so that's nice, and now it feels really good too. So I can tell a noticeable difference and a lot of smoothness, and I'm really hoping that this works. So that's it basically. That's how you apply it. I'm going to take an after picture so you guys can compare how my skin looked before I started with the refine step and then after I put both steps on. But pretty simple, right? I mean, this is definitely something I could see myself incorporating into my minimal beauty routine because it's not so crazy. But thank you for joining me for this little sesh. Okay, now you know everything I know. So I hope that this has been helpful to you. Hopefully you guys can find your own microdermabrasion set. This one that I got from Mary Kay, you can, if you have a Mary Kay consultant, you can go to her or connect with me and I will find you one. But it's a great solution just in general to help with improving your skin texture, reducing those appearance of your fine lines, making your pores look smaller, and just overall making your skin kind of like high definition worthy. So thanks for joining me on this little adventure into beauty land, and hopefully we can have a lot more of those adventures together, guys.